Hello, guys, and today I'm gonna welcome you to Thief Simulator. We're going to play this one, and we will be becoming a thief for a day. So come and join me to steal things and gather some expensive things inside the house. Come on, let's go. Nice, ang ganda ng graphics niya. So, this is our character.
Hey, it's me, Vinny. Pick up
Lakas.
that crowbar and listen up. We got a lot of ground to cover.
Okay. Tumawag
The
na naman.
Lombardis paid your bail. They're generous men, but they're all about reciprocity, if you get what I mean. Let's see if you're up to the job. Knock over that house for me. The last one.
The last one. Okay. Okay. I think we have to use the crowbar. Wait. Hmm. Wait. Equip natin yung crowbar. Okay. So, kailangan natin tong... Hindi naririnig yun. Like, ang lakas ng tunog ah. May tao. Baka mahuli tayo. Crouch lang. Crouch, crouch, crouch. Crouch, crouch. Ah, hindi tayo nakita. Hindi tayo nakita. Tuloy lang. Tuloy, tuloy, tuloy tayo. Shit, kinakabahan ako. Grabe, tawag
Hey,
naman 'to ng
some
tawag.
dope left a flashlight on the ground. Take it, but don't let nobody see the light and call the cops.
Okay, okay. Sige, kukunin natin yung flashlight ba yun? So, kailangan nating hindi tamaan ng lights at this point. Okay, nakuha natin. Uy, nabasag na natin, nabasag natin. Buksan, tapos pasok tayo. Tawag naman 'to ng
Good
tawag.
job. Time to redistribute a little wealth.
Buksan natin dito sa cabinet. Ay, ano meron dito? Oh, may pera. Hindi natin. Sayang to. Ano laman ito? Kaldero lang laman yan. May laman ba 'to? Parang walang laman 'to, ah. Parang walang mga laman. Parang walang laman yung box. Dito kaya? Ano naman ba 'to? Oh, yun may pera pa dito. Ito kunin natin dito. Sapatos 'to, eh. Okey, walang uy, pasok tayo dito. Meron dito. Walang laman, wala. Wala ring laman 'to. Okey, wala siyang laman. Ito pera, oh. Toaster.
Time to bail, man. Get in the car. Don't let nobody see you with that crowbar.
Okey, kailangan na natin tumakas. Kunin ko din 'to. Sayang, takuri din 'to. lock pa yung pinto. Tayo dadaan. Ay, ba't tayo dumaan kanina dito, 'di ba? Tama ba? Dito tayo dadaan. Okey, tara takas na. Takas na. Okey, sakay na sa kotse, sakay na sa kotse. Okey. So, saan ang punta natin? Okey, saan tayo pupunta nito? Okey, tama ba 'tong dinadaanan natin? Okey. So, nakikita ko na. So, malayo pa. Malayo pa pala. Yun, yung nakakakaba. So, ganun lang pala gagawin natin. Okey, anong next? Nakatawag
Good
na
job,
naman 'to.
man. This just might work. Go get some sleep and we'll pick this up in the morning.
Morning talaga? Di puwedeng gabi? Okey, kailangan matulog na magnanakaw. Okey, mga 7 PM tayo gigising. Para naman di masyadong ano. Okey, okey, gabi na. Tumatawag na naman
Check
yung
the
tropa
computer.
natin.
There's a few things I need to tell you.
Inuutusan na naman tayo nito.
Tools for Thieves lets you buy new kit online, but you might not have what it takes to use them all. Click on Steal Your Forum.
Alright, still your
Here
forum.
you can buy secrets. Hot tips on what's where, who's guarding it, who leaves the door unlocked, whatever. Check out what I wrote on Greenview 109.
Greenview 109. Okay. House security tip. Possible loot. Old TV with a back house security tip.
Great.
Okay.
Now, go to your car.
Okay. Punta tayo sa kotse. Naku, mukhang magnanakaw na naman tayo. In this car, old TV worth a buck. Okay.
Go
Bakit
hawk
na
your loot
naman
at the
'to?
pawn shop first. You'll need empty pockets at Greenview 109.
Okay, so kailangan daw nating ibenta yung nakuha natin. Sabi ba nakuha ko takore, tsaka yung toaster. Pawn shop. Sige, pawn shop tayo. Pawn shop yung punta natin. Tao po. Hello,
Welcome.
sir. I'd like to sell this and this.
It's
Okay.
time for Greenview 109.
Thank you,
Get me that
sir.
TV and don't pawn it off.
Thank you, sir. Okay, kailangan natin na sumakay. Pumunta tayo ng Greenview. Greenview. Okay, Greenview nga. Okay, sa Greenview Street tayo. Pupunta nito. Okay, ano naman kayang... Okay. So, kailangan pala natin mag-drive. Okay, drive lang. Hindi ko makita yung ano, yung guide kung saan tayo pupunta. Nasaan yung star? Bakit di ko makita? Ayun, ang layo. Umikot pala tayo, so dapat pala tama ba? Okey, dito na lang tayo. Okey, pinark ko na. Okey na 'yan, 'di ko na isasara. Sige, isara natin. So, easy to break the damaged wooden fence in the back, spare door key in the drawer. There's no one home all the time. Okey. Oh, okey, so puwede tayong magtago pala dito sa parang tapunan ng basura. Okey, dito tayo dadaan. Okey, crouch, 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 crouch. Okey, pasok tayo. Okey, sa CR pala tayo dumaan. May mga pera dito, oh. Nasa sahig lang. Kuha pa natin yung toaster. May ref pa nga dito. Kailangan daw natin ng susi, pero wala naman akong makita. Okey, ito may susi. Kunin natin. Find the door key 109. Uy, wala siyang laman. Nasa CR pala tayo. Buti pala 'to i-equip. Dali. Ah, kunin natin yung TV. Let's go. Oh, saan na tayo dumaan? Mas madali pa dito, mas mahihirapan tayo 'pag ano, eh. Okey, so kailangan 'to ilagay sa likod ng kotse. Sira pa nga yung sira pa nga yung kotse. Okey, okey, alis na tayo, alis na, alis na. Yes, nakuha natin yung TV, nakuha natin yung TV. Still an old TV from Graveyard, load it in the car trunk and drive home, okey. Uwi na tayo. Tama naman yung dinadaanan natin, eh. Tama 'to dito, paakyat. Game. Woo! Okey, tumatawag na naman yung tropa natin.
I see you got my screen. Go to Black Bay.
Black Bay. Okey, kailangan natin i-check ulit yung computer. Black Bay.
I set up a page on there for the TV. Go there and sell it.
TV electronics.
Good work.
Okay.
Now,
Print a tab.
now here you can find a little extra work. I put one on there.
Break their dishes. Sa Greenview ulit.
Okay.
Alright. Okay, next mission natin. Pero kailangan natin matulog muna. Alright, tulog muna. Oh, bakit 8 a.m.? Alright, gabi na. Gabi na, let's go. Kailangan na natin magnakaw. Check muna natin yung ano. Okay. Kailangan na ulit magnakaw. Sa Greenview ulit tayo pupunta. Alright, pasok na. Alright, start natin yung engine. Na tayo ng Greenview. Magbabasag daw ng dishes. Tama ba? Break the dishes at 110. Asan ba ang 110? Okay, 104, 109. Dito tayo. Alright, dito na tayo mag-park. Okay. 110. Oh, nandito lang din yung 110 eh. There is no one. Okay, 109. 110. Nandito sa kabilang bahay. Okay, nandito. Ito. Wala naman tong nakatira dyan eh, pero tingnan natin. Saan tayo babasag ng ano dito? Hindi ko makita yung ano. Pwede natin yung puwang ng ano. Baka dito. O dito try natin. Wala. Saan tayo pwede dumaan? May tao ba? May naglalakad. Okay, pasok tayo. Hindi tayo dyan, syempre. Dito na tayo dumaan. Okay, pasok na. Magbabasag lang ng dishes, yun lang yung gagawin. Break the dishes. Saan na yun?
I just
Matapang
heard
na
you
siya.
don't even know how to pick a lock. Go learn the basics. I'm sure you've got enough skill by now.
Learn lock picking. Oh, paano? Wala nga akong ano eh. Lock picking, wala akong ganun. Skills. Lock picking.
Great. Now, go buy yourself a DIY simple lockpick on Tools for Thieves.
Tools for thieves. Babalik na ako. Baka mahuli pa ako dito. Saan ba ako? Uwi na ako. Buy the very simple lock tools for tips. Siyempre, aalis na ako. Uuwi na ako nito eh. Okay, uwi na tayo. Start the engine. Alright, uwi na muna tayo. Uwi na. Bibili tayo ng DIY simple lock, pero diba? So, kailangan natin bumili ng simple toolkit pang open. Kailangan natin bumili. Okay, bili tayo. Okay. DIY. Okay, bili natin to. Lockpick, 70. Okay, tumatawag na naman yung tropa
Before you
natin.
get yourself into trouble, try it on a training lock. I left one in the garage.
Training lock sa garage daw. Ano meron dito? Okay. Yung bag natin. Meron dito. Okay. Okay. Shit, naputol.
You did a good job on that old TV in the empty
Okay.
house.
Ang
For
hirap
a
pala
real
ng
job, you gotta
mag-unlock.
scope the joint. Go to 111 by 7 a.m. and watch.
7 a.m. and watch. Manonood daw tayo. Okay. Kailangan na naman matulog ng magnanakaw. 7 a.m. daw. Okay. Okay. Tulog na. Okay, guys, that's it for today for our first episode of Thief Simulator. So thank you so much for joining me today for this very suspense and challenging game. And this is Thief Simulator. Again, guys, if you like this video, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you on my next video for our episode 2 of the Thief Simulator. Bye, guys.